Hi guys, I am back today with UberChic Beauty's Art Deco Chic. Okay, so as I'm showing you this, a quick little story. This has already been out for a while now, but because of a warehouse error, I got the wrong plate, and I got one called Art Deco Flare, which actually hasn't been released yet. So if you go over to my other video, Art Deco Flare, that's a sneak peek of a plate that is not out yet. You've probably already seen this, so this is going to be just a quick review to mention a couple of, maybe ideas for you. I think that this is a great plate for beginners because almost any image on here you can do one pass stamp with. So, you can stamp this in gold, any of these images in gold or silver over any other color just about in the world, and you're going to have a beautiful look. All of the Art Deco lines just look beautiful in gold. So many of them were done gilded originally like this. Even stuff like this is just going to be beautiful in gold, like over peach, over red, over blue, silver over blue. You can also, of course, do this in white over any color. White over like a peach, white over like mint green. You can do, mint greens and blues together. But even with a simple one color single pass stamp, you are going to have gorgeous, super elegant results. Now, of course, you can go in some of these and you can do more advanced techniques. I think this would look cool, gorgeous over like a horizontal gradient of like shades of green. Oh, white stamped in like shades of green over it, or silver over different shades of green. That would be gorgeous. Same thing like with this. There were definitely some on here that you could do reverse stamping or lead lighting. So you could go in here and you could, do different colors around certain of these little images here. And here, same thing, you could go in and just do squares of colors. I think this also looks good with square gems. That would be adorable. This would look good with a vertical gradient. Anything like this to me is going to look great over Smoosh Manny, and then of course she gives you negatives and positives so you can play around. And again, simple beginner technique. You do this on an accent nail, this on the rest, or vice versa, and you've got a really cool look that has a little bit of a difference to it, but doesn't take a whole lot of skill if you're new. And then of course these little designs in the center, which you can mix and match as well and make really simple designs. So yeah, if you are looking through these videos for a plate that you think is a good beginner's plate, I definitely would recommend this, and also because UberChic always has really good quality. So this would be a great plate to start with. So let's go try a couple of sample looks. Alright, recap. So this is silver over black, and here we have gold over a deep green. I just love that combo with Art Deco. And then we have a mint over a light blue, so you can see elegant with any kind of color. It's just hard to miss with Art Deco, I think. Anyway, I will link everything down below, and thank you for watching.